Greetings from Lake Drevviken in Sköndal area. I am out for a beach adventure this evening. It is 5:30 p.m. and 22 degrees Celsius in the air. And in a bit we're gonna find out the temperature in the lake that looks very, very clean. And I found this nice rock in the forest here as I was walking in Sköndal, that is known as nice valley. That is the translation. There is some nice rock formations over there, but it was a bit too crowded for my taste, so I opted here for a more secluded beach spot to enjoy a nice swim. And let's see what the temperature has to say. 20 degrees Celsius in the lake Drevviken. And yeah, look at how beautiful the nature is. And even though the sun is being shadowed by the forest, still there are a few sunlights and sunshines here and there. So now let's enjoy with a beautiful swim here at this nice spot in the forest. Yes, beach to number 111 it is today, and it is 3rd of August. And I wanted to go somewhere closer to where I live, as from here I have also a direct bus home from the road up. That's around 1 kilometer walk from here, and we can see beautiful lake, and I can see one of my spots over there that I have been cycling into last autumn, and it's going to be now nice to go for a swim here and enjoy. The lake looks amazing indeed. Alright, I think it's deep enough here to jump, but I'm going to get in. So it's gonna be a bit challenging, I know, but I'm gonna do my best. Starting off the open water swim. Okay, so ready, set, and go! It's amazing. It's amazing indeed. Beautiful. Look at that. There is a lot more sun in the water compared to the shore. It's so beautiful. Let me show you a bit around. Lake Drevviken is quite big, and it stretches through 4 different municipalities actually. Stockholm, Haninge, Huddinge and Tyresö. So quite big. And you can see here it is also very natural forest type as well. There are some houses around the lake, but not so many on this side here, so that's good. Okay, now it's time for Kris to swim a bit longer here in the lake. Yes, it is quite warm, 20 degrees Celsius in the air, so it's perfect indeed. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Sköndal, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.